Hi, after completing the module array, welcome to the new module strings. Here is the outline. First, I will be explaining the definition of string, then we will study the declaration of the string and we will understand how to initialize the string. So let's get started. A string is a sequence of characters, or we can say array of characters. As C doesn't support string data type, that's why we should represent string as an character array. Each character is stored as an element of the array. You can see here. All the strings are terminated with the null character, that is \0, to mark the end of that string. Now let's try to understand how to declare the string. As string is an character array, so we will follow the same syntax of declaration of array. First we have to mention the data type, and here the data type will be character as we are declaring an character array. Then we have to mention the array name, and we should follow the rules to design an identifier as array name is an identifier. Then we have to specify the size, and the size is the total number of elements that array can hold. Here you can see one example. I am declaring a character array of size 5, so we will get total 5 blocks. Now let's study how to initialize a string. There are 3 forms in which we can initialize the string. Here is the first form. This string requires total 7 characters, but we need one more location for the string terminated, that is null character, which will automatically append to the end of the string. There is one more form of initialization where the individual elements we will initialize to the array. Here we should include the \0. When we are initializing the individual elements, we can even skip the size of the array. The size of the array will be determined automatically depending on the number of elements listed within braces. Let me implement string in the program where I will demonstrate how to initialize the string and how to display the string. Here is a simple program where we are initializing 3 strings and we are printing the string. To print the string, we can use %s. So save the file and click on build and run to check the output. You can see here we are initializing the string and we are printing the string. Pause the video and practice along. Now let me explain how to read the string. There are 2 ways in which we can read the string. Let's consider scanf method. Here I have declared one character array. Using printf statement we are printing the message, and then using scanf statement we are taking the input. %s is the format specifier for string, and here we are mentioning the name of the string. As we have studied in the array, that name of the array is actually a reference to the first element of the array, and by specifying the reference of the first element, we are accessing the whole array. So here no need to mention ampersand sign. Now we are printing the string using again %. When we are using scanf and printf method, we can use %s. So save the file and click on build and run to check the output. You can see here the cursor is waiting for the input, so we have to enter the name. We are getting the message, so we are using here scanf statement to take the input and printf to print the string. Let me run this program one more time. Now let's check the output for the given string. Did you notice something here? Here we have entered the 2 strings separated by space, but when we are going to print, we are getting only the first string. So using scanf statement, we can read only one word of string. When we want to read the multiple word of line, we use a predefined function getS. The getS method reads a line of text. The getS terminates the reading of text with the enter key. So let me demonstrate how to use it in the program. Here in place of scanf, I am going to write the getS method. So getS, and then we should mention the name. Save the changes and click on build and run to check the output. Again I am going to enter the same name. Now check the output. We are getting both the strings though it is separated by space. So if you want to read a line of text or more than one word, you can use getAs. The getAs is a predefined function available in the stdio.h header file. So in this video, we learned about the string and how to take the string, how to initialize the string and how to print the string. In the next video, I will be explaining how to pass a string to a function. So keep learning, keep coding. See you in the next video.